A big diplomatic movement unfolded recently, showing how quickly things can change in international relations. The Israeli military, also known as the IDF, actually apologized to India within 24 hours. And why? Because of a map mistake. The IDF had shared a map on social media trying to show the reach of Iranian missiles, but on this map, they mistakenly showed Jammu and Kashmir as a part of Pakistan. This immediately caught the eye of Indian social media users who were quick to point out the error and even tagged Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. One user perfectly summed up the sentiment, saying, "Now you understand why India remains neutral. In diplomacy, no one's really your friend." The reaction from India was strong, and the Israeli ambassador to India, Reuven Azad, quickly called it a bad, unintended infographic and asked for it to be removed or fixed. The IDF soon issued an apology on X, admitting that the map fails to precisely depict borders and expressed regret for any offense caused. They clarified it was just an illustration and not meant to be accurate. India, as you know, has always maintained that Jammu and Kashmir along with Ladakh are an integral part of the country, a stance recently enforced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This swift apology highlights the strong relationship between India and Israel since establishing diplomatic ties in 1992, and our bond has grown significantly. Prime Minister Modi's visit to Israel in 2017 was a historic first for an Indian PM. Our trade relations are also booming, with India being Israel's second largest trading partner in Asia. Meanwhile, the conflict between Iran and Israel is escalating. Israel launched strikes on Iran's nuclear facilities and military sites, calling it a preventive measure to stop Iran from developing nuclear weapons. Iran retaliated with missiles on Israeli cities. This intense rivalry is a stark contrast to their past, where they once had a complex history of cooperation and shared interest, only to become bitter enemies today.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.